Zebion is a national electronics brand. Through a vast network of distributors and dealers, Zebion vends over 300 products ranging from computer peripherals to sound systems to security systems and mobile accessories. At Zebion, we give paramount importance to service. Our biggest reward is the smiling face of our customer, retail partner and wholesaler. All Zebion products carry long-term warranties far longer than most other brands. Many Zebion products have on-site or doorstep repair service as well. Today, we have a network of over 90 service centers across the country and field engineers who can serve territories covering 36,000 pin codes. Categories. All service centers, whether company-owned or franchised, have the following hallmarks. Well-equipped with latest equipment, company-trained engineers, dedicated and caring managers to facilitate escalation, adequate volume of spare parts, adequate volume of replacement goods called buffer stock. Most also have the capability to execute chip-level repairs. Supporting the service centers are regional TRCs and state TRCs. These are state-of-the-art company-managed repair hubs where senior managers supervise advanced tasks and work on process improvement. At the highest level, we have the National TRC in Pune, which features the most advanced repair facility in the country and among the largest expert teams in the electronics industry. All three levels have complete vertical integration.
Today we have among the largest service networks in the country. In-house we have over 100 dedicated and talented members in service wing of Zebion.
Zebion National TRC in Pune is a 12,000 square feet area with world-class facilities equipped to handle the most sophisticated challenges.
We follow latest TQM policies, which includes periodic training and retraining of technicians through hands-on workshops. Among the most crucial components of Zebion's service practice is our ultra-modern service CRM. With this CRM, we centrally enable all local service centers to register cases and coordinate with regional hubs seamlessly. The CRM generates a RMA number for each service request received. Customers or retailers are intimated by SMS as soon as items are ready for delivery, and case closure happens through a highly secure passcode verification process.
मैं सर्विस CRM में रोज लॉगिन करता हूं और सभी शिकायतों का पूर्ण रूप से सॉल्यूशन निकालने का प्रयास करता हूं। जेबियन में हम शिकायतों का पूर्ण निवारण करने में विश्वास रखते हैं।
We also have over 100 field engineers.
Zebion का CRM बहुत ही यूजर फ्रेंडली है। इससे मैं चलते फिरते भी काम कर सकता हूँ। यह मुझे बिना किसी पर निर्भर हुए इंडिपेंडेंटली काम करने के लिए आवश्यक टूल देता है।
Who help resolve on-site or doorstep repair cases in suburbs, small towns, semi-urban areas and even rural areas.
हम प्रयास करते हैं ऑन-साइट कॉल को जल्द से जल्द सॉल्व किया जाए। लगभग सभी ऑन-साइट कॉल निर्धारित समय के भीतर सफलतापूर्वक सॉल्व किए जाते हैं, भले ही कॉल ग्रामीण क्षेत्र से हो।
Closely working with our service wing is our world-class supply chain team. Together, they ensure all service centers are well stocked with spare parts, sub-assemblies and buffer inventory. With a 75-member strong service department, it's no wonder that Zebion's famous repair cycle is known to be the fastest and the best in the industry, much lauded by the electronics fraternity.
The National TRC in Pune is adjoined with a large stock and spares warehouse. that drastically cuts down the request to delivery times.
If you are an electronics retailer, put your trust in Zebion's service team. We assure you the fastest resolution time for service cases possible and a truly stress-free experience. We are the Zebion family, empowering and enriching IT traders since 2005. Zebion, the tech truth.